Welcome. In front of me I have GARETT Atom watch, and I'm gonna show you how to download or install additional watch faces on this watch. First, before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the GARETT, I believe it's GARETT Connect, or just GARETT app. Let me just double check it to be sure. Oh, it's GARETT Smart, my bad. GARETT Smart application. And once the devices are paired together, you can open the GARETT Smart application. In the app, you can tap on watch. And if your devices are paired together, you should see your GARETT Atom right here on the device page. And now you can tap on additional watch faces. And here we have the list of watch faces you can choose from. So find the one you like, tap on it, and then tap on set the watch face. It will start uploading to your watch. And once it's done, the watch face will be applied. And that's how you install additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.